channel. My dad has a YouTube channel called Rising Space Star 77, but make sure to put a space after rising. I just want to say my dad has really good content like songs, food, and politics. Please subscribe, like, and share. Bye guys!
Okay, now I'll do the actually this is supposed to be my beginning, the regiment. For the arms, it's just the blood flow circulation. Usually I do 3 sets. I'll just show you 1 set, okay? And I do like till 120. Clockwise and anti-clockwise. You can breathe too. What is it? The neck spin does is if somebody has a pain on the neck, it kind of relieves, alleviate the pain. So it helps in the circulation of the blood to your brain, I believe, to the head. Clockwise and do anti-clockwise. Three sets. Or the temasum nagudu. The ki karichi dulana. Ene kesi jimbala. Naza de liyevaina, naza la su de liyevaina, and the su de lamja chagdwa, and the gal carching on a tashi ta the circulation, the suguna the dread, the ya levigal yabigatan do, and the day the gal sugudi kiwshi which chadudwa. In here, other thing I've heard is, I'm not sure it's true, when you do this head spin, it kind of prevents in getting wrinkle on the neck. On the neck, I've heard that, but I'm not 100% sure, how far it's true. Okay, do like this, then you can do this. You can stretch the neck muscle here. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay? Feels good.